Let our valet greet you when you arrive so your adventure can begin. Conduct a business meeting, gather with friends, or just relax as you enjoy the comfort of our lobby sitting area. Our main entrance is stunning as guests are welcomed by the grand staircase ensconced in marble and wood accents. Our Queen guest room features all the amenities and space you desire. Enjoy all our Queen or City View Queen Quest rooms have to offer. With 2 queen beds, work desk area, smart refrigerator and large screen television will make you never wanting to leave. Delight in the marble top vanity and large lighted mirror. The King City View guest room boasts not only great views, but a large king bed draped in long staple Egyptian linens, and duvet. Enjoy our king bedroom featuring a seating area and views of Birmingham. The Elyton Hotel King Room features luxurious bedding, a work area, and sitting area to work or relax as you please. Expansive walk-in shower with handheld sprayer. Guests will fall in love with our Malin and Getz bath essentials. Guest rooms at the Empire Hotel provide a true urban sanctuary. Stay productive with high-speed Wi-Fi, a work desk and ample power and charging outlets. Or relax on the pillow-top bed covered in beautiful linens and pillows to satisfy all. Our Big Alice suite boasts a large living and sitting area with a queen sofa sleeper. Whether you are hosting a get-together, a meeting or a special event, the living room is ideal for small gatherings. Kick up your feet and enjoy the comfort of our one-bedroom larger suite and the comfortable king bed. Delight in the modern marble detailing, large walk-in shower and open dressing area of our one-bedroom suite. When entertaining guests will enjoy the private powder room adjacent to the living room area. Each junior suite includes a king bed draped in long staple Egyptian linens and duvet. Enjoy the extra space in each junior suite, and a queen sleeper sofa. Marble detailing, large lighted mirror and walk-in shower with handheld sprayer are just a few of the features in this oversized bathroom. Enjoy our junior suite, with separate living area and private king bedroom. The Red Mountain Suite features 2 queen beds, a queen sleeper sofa plus bedding with a pillow top mattress and duvet. Let our knowledgeable concierge desk assist you with whatever you may need to make your stay most enjoyable. Enjoy the comfort of your guest room while indulging in delicious cuisine made by our team of chefs. Moonshine Rooftop Restaurant and Lounge, featuring an innovative cocktail menu, craft local beers and seasonally focused small plates. The Yard, featuring richly created entrees emphasizing artisan ingredients, local growers and seasonal preparations. Try our heirloom tomato salad with Mercro basil and balsamic vinaigrette. The Yard, emphasizing artisan ingredients, local growers and seasonal preparations. Featuring a full cocktail and wine bar. At Elyton Hotel, each event hosted is custom crafted, allowing you to be as creative or as traditional as you like.